Everyone. For those who have been asking a lot of questions about training at Jodan Modern Machinery Training Institute, questions like what are the requirements, where are we located? The requirements are simple. You just require to have a valid driving license, and then afterwards you can qualify to come and do any machine, study any machines from a forklift, wheel shovel, wheel loader, a backhoe, excavators, and many others. As you can see, we already have our practicals going on. Students are already on board, and we welcome you. We welcome you to come and study at Jodan Modern Machinery Training Institute. Our fee is very affordable, payable in installments. And in case you do not have a driving license, you are new to the driving world, you can come. We have a package for people who are doing this for the first time. So you will start with the saloon car or the normal cars, and then you will proceed on to do the plant operator training, which takes only a period of like 2 weeks. If you're doing, let's say, one machine like a forklift, it will take only a period of 2 weeks. If you're doing, let's say, 3 machines, it will take a period of 6 weeks. If you're doing 6 machines, it is going to take you a duration of 2 months. And if you're doing a combination of the saloon car and the 6 machines, it's gonna take 3 months. So welcome all to Jodan Modern Machinery Training Institute, where you will get the value for your money, because we are the movers in plant operator training.